The 4-seater Limelight Strobe Spa, a premium spa designed to turn heads with a considerate seating arrangement and elevated design. 208 by 196 and 84 centimeters tall, a perfect fit for your home. Personalized controls, sculpted seats that deliver comfort where you need it the most. Every model comes with the optional freshwater salt system and Freshwater IQ, the smart inline monitoring system that automatically tests your water and guides you with clear, simple instructions. Dual action filtration ensures every drop is clean and ready to enjoy. A simple control panel puts everything at your fingertips, while multi-color LED lighting and a built-in music system sets a perfect mood. Engineered for efficiency, the fiber core insulation and a circulation pump that uses less energy than a 40-watt light bulb. The Limelight Collection, premium design, advanced comfort and everyday efficiency. Available at Aquapool Spas in our Fuengirola or San Pedro stores.